Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Ferrari Class A motorhome is only a result of marketing jargon and speculative design because Ferrari, a brand known for its racing background and high-performance sports cars, has never produced leisure vehicles. But if one were to imagine such a bold design, it would surely want to reinterpret the fundamental notion of performance and luxury in the motorhome market. A potential 2026 Ferrari Class A motorhome would probably forego the practical boxiness of traditional RVs in favor of a sleek, aerodynamic design that pays homage to its esteemed heritage. Unquestionably, the design would have Ferrari's recognizable visual characteristics, such as a recognizable grille, sculpted air intakes, and strong, crisp lines that give the impression of motion even when still. Premium materials like lightweight carbon fiber and polished aluminum, coated in a deep, glossy Ferrari Rosso Corsa or a special bespoke color, would probably be used for the bodywork. The vehicle's elegant appearance would be preserved while providing broad views through the seamless integration of large, panoramic windows. From the LED lighting signatures to the specially forged wheels, every outward element would be painstakingly created to embody Ferrari's unwavering standards of exclusivity and design. Entering a Ferrari Class A motorhome is like entering a mobile penthouse, where every detail has been carefully considered to create an atmosphere of unmatched comfort and luxury. Using the best materials, such as hand-stitched Connelly leather, polished Alcantara, exotic wood veneers, and custom metal embellishments, the interior would be a masterpiece of Italian craftsmanship. The layout would be extremely elegant and adaptable, possibly providing a contemporary gourmet kitchen with high-end integrated appliances, a lavish living area furnished with designer pieces, and a master suite with a king-size bed and an opulent en-suite bathroom for the ultimate in relaxation. With sophisticated touchscreen interfaces and maybe voice commands, technology would be easily navigable and seamlessly integrated. Standard features would include a top-tier music system, a complex infotainment system, and numerous connectivity choices. Ambient lighting will be completely adjustable to create different moods, and climate control would be multi-zoned and accurate. A temperature-controlled wine cellar, a special entertainment lounge, or even a tiny, retractable balcony for outdoor viewing are examples of unusual facilities. Although redefined for its category, the Ferrari distinction would require outstanding performance even in a motorhome. It would probably have an extremely advanced powertrain, possibly a V12 or hybrid, that would provide incredible power and torque, enabling smooth driving even when loaded. A cutting-edge air suspension system with active dampening to absorb road irregularities may be incorporated into the chassis, which would be designed for an exceptionally stable and smooth ride. Ferrari's engineering skill would be evident in the unexpectedly calm handling for a car of its size. Almost all noise, vibration, and harshness would be removed, resulting in a calm and secluded cabin atmosphere. At the very top of the luxury RV market, the 2026 Ferrari Class A motorhome would serve a very exclusive customer that demands the utmost in car luxury and an unrestrictedly mobile lifestyle. Even in an unexpected form, it would be a statement piece, a tribute to money, taste, and a love of one-of-a-kind high-performance technology. It would surely be produced in very small quantities, making it a collector's item from the start.